This is the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a cult favorite, and it's a cult favorite for a reason, but after I show you a little bit about the product and how I like to use it, I'm actually gonna show you a product that I think works better and is cheaper than this product right here. So the packaging on this is lovely. The scent on this is lovely. This just smells like watermelon. Like, it's so nice. And like I said, the product is great. You just, take some out. I usually use my ring finger. I don't know why. It's great because it is somewhat dense and like sticky and all the things that you want in a good lip product. It goes on really nicely. I just feel like it doesn't last the whole night. I don't feel like it's that intense. It's good, but I get severely chapped lips in the winter. Like, it's no joke. My lips are literally like peeling. Sometimes they'll bleed from being so dry. And I don't feel like this is powerful enough to deal with that mess. So I actually like to use this just throughout the day when my lips are feeling chapped and dry. I think this works as like a nice almost lip balm, but it's meant to be a lip sleeping mask. It's meant to basically transform your lips while you're sleeping. This actually isn't strong enough to do that on my lips. It is like my favorite thing to reach for during the day. However, what I use at night is this instead. This is a Korean brand, and it's literally just called Ginger Sugar Overnight Lip Mask. It does not have the fancy packaging, but this is actually more product than this, and typically this is going to be priced a bit lower. But this, it doesn't look super impressive. It just actually looks like Vaseline, as you can see, but it's so sticky. It's so dense almost, and when you slather your lips in this, it's almost like the product just envelops around your lips and just like, I don't know, like creates this barrier. And when I sleep with this on my lips, I sleep through the night without worrying about chapped lips. Like, sometimes because my lips are so severely chapped, I will wake up throughout the night because my lips are bothering me. But with this, that doesn't happen. Now, this also doesn't maybe smell as nice as this, although if you don't like very fruity scents, you may not like the scent of this. This has a more, it's got a little bit of ginger to the scent. You can definitely pick up on the ginger. But oh my gosh, the product really speaks for itself. This is like the second or third one of these that I have purchased, and there's a lot that comes in here. And I've also told a coworker of mine who has really bad chapped lips as well, and he was like, oh my gosh, you changed my life. And I was like, I know. It's a great product at a great price point if what you're looking for is an actual overnight lip mask. However, like I said, this is great too, but I think it works better for me. For someone who has severely chapped lips, it works better throughout the day to kind of like maintain my lips.